My name is Stephen Headland, Head of Finance at Rillet. Rillet is the AI-native ERP, built for high-growth enterprises and public companies. We're an ERP. That means we handle everything from order to cash, revenue recognition, multi-entity consolidation, close management, and much more. We're fully SOX compliant, with detailed permissions across the entire system. We've built native integrations with modern tools such as Stripe and Ramp, so all of your data comes in seamlessly and in real time. Customers find value in our detailed and customized reporting. You can customize reports like the income statement to your unique needs, with specific groupings by account or reporting by department. Everything is clickable and drillable, so you can easily research and find the numbers you're looking for. And like a good ERP should, everything exports directly to Excel or Google Sheets in a clean and useful format. At its core, Rillet is a rules-based system. I can custom build roles for my organization based on my unique makeup and team. Each team member will always have the access they need to accomplish their work. I can route transactions for approval by role and by access. We're the only ERP on the market that is built on real-time architecture and can book journal entries on an immediate basis. All of your data comes into the system in real time, so you can close your books every single day. For example, when a contract comes into Rillet, we don't wait till the end of the month to create the related journal entries and revenue schedule. The entries are created immediately, and if you need to edit something, no problem. All edits and changes flow through the GL right away. But what does it mean to be an AI-native ERP? It includes both how we get your data into the system and how we utilize it once it's been ingested. For example, we recently launched Aura Flow, our AI workflow builder for complex tasks. You can ask Aura to build a 13-week cash flow forecast, generate a detailed summary of your financial performance for the board, or audit your transactions, flagging anomalies and surfacing unique insights. These workflows can be scheduled to run on your own custom timelines. We also embed AI deeply into Rillet. You can see here our AI flux analysis module, where Aura is continuously calculating the variances in comparative periods, so you can always analyze your performance. You can provide Aura with additional context so that the flux analysis is customized to your unique business needs. Here you can also see our AI accruals module. Aura is continuously scanning your transactions to suggest accruals for any missing data. This is also fully customizable to your unique needs. Rillet is a global ERP, supporting full multi-entity and multi-currency consolidation. We even automate the intercompany entries, so you have full faith your financials are audit-ready every single day. Rillet is built by accountants for accountants, because the details matter. See you soon.